7/1, Wednesday, 2026. Typical disclaimer, when everybody has a chance, please read it. Let's get started. So if we want to go from point A to point B, what do we want? Ideally, we want to take a Learjet, get there quickly and in style and make lots of money. What we want to avoid is the Pinto route. We don't want to be too slow, agonizing, and just ridiculously long. So in this case, what we do is we look at the SPY. We want to make money. We look for clear uptrends. We look for higher highs, higher lows, and growing over time, which was the case from 2024 to present. Nike, we want to avoid this. We don't want to lose money along the way. So we're trying to look for winners and something that's going to propel us to the next level. We want to avoid stocks like Nike and get the anchor off of us and perpetuate winners. So we do this by looking at stocks. So is there anywhere else that we can look for such a vehicle, if you will, in other opportunities? Yes, in real estate. So for example, let's take 3 different cases here. One group of people live in Los Angeles, one in Denver, and one in Detroit. So this is this is data that you can find all over the internet on how housing prices behaved for all throughout the United States. This data set's looking from January 1999 to about January 2010. You can see here you have 3 different cities. You can see here that the Los Angeles market skyrocketed over time. Within a matter of years, it skyrocketed. Then, just like we learned yesterday with the Darvas boxes, it apexed, started coming down. Just like we treated with the Darvas boxes, now you can see that Darvas box is going, the price action, if you will, in this case, the real estate action, is going down. So ideally, if you bought property or had money to deploy in these 3 markets, I'll show you that in the next slide, what to look for, how to look for it. But information is power. Get in, make your money, lock in profits, just like stocks. So here we're watching for growth, just like stocks. You're scouring the market, all different cities, from individual cities to individual neighborhoods next. But individual cities, you're looking for, here's a Darvas box, just like we discussed yesterday for stocks, but in this case, real estate. Now, within a short period of time, you'll see that only one market is increasing in height, and that would be LA market. So you're scouring the country for real estate, just like we're scouring every day for growth stocks and stocks that are growing and moving upwards, and you get into the market. You're checking every month, every quarter, how is your market performing? You can see here that Denver and Detroit were pretty much in the dust pretty quickly. You buy in LA, you hold the price, and month after month after month, you're making money, and you can see the linearity, the steepness of this real estate curve going higher and higher. Once it apexed, okay, I made my money, I want to get out. I can sell my real estate, I can rent my real estate, whatever you want to do, you have options. But you can see here that it's pretty clear to see within a short period of time, looking at all these active markets, which ones are winners, which ones you want to stay away from. So just like stocks in real estate, we can do the same mentality, same thought process, same scouring, and look for winners in stocks and in real estate for different markets and avoiding the downfall. Going in, making your money, just like stocks, locking in profits. If you find this video valuable, please like and subscribe. Just a reminder, I have a Patreon page. If you go to membership, I have 2 types, Gold and Premier. If you have a chance, take a look at these. Thank you for your time.